Hey guys, so I got the famous Uniqlo crossbody bag. This is the first time I've ever even seen it, and obviously I had to buy it because I love these types of bags, and I just wanted to let you know what my thoughts were. So I do really like it. The material is quite thin compared to other bags, but it seems waterproof. It's really versatile. You've got the compartment, the main compartment with little slots here as well, so you can fit loads in this bag, and I definitely see why it's so popular. You've also got the back pocket here, and it's really big, and you can definitely put things like your phone or things that you want to be easily accessible in there. I love the color. I was debating whether to get this or the black, but I thought I've got so many other black bags that are similar, and I thought I'd get something that's brown that I can wear. But basically it's great if you want to chuck stuff in, you're not too worried about damaging a bag, and it's a great price. It has the plastic clip here, which seems quite strong, so no complaints. So I'm going to post another video comparing it to the mini Uniqlo bag and my Lululemon bag, so stay tuned.